Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8096002A on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you have to do. Go to your browser and search for this software called 7-zip and hit it and then click on download and then click on the download link and then click on open and then click on install. This way you will be able to install the 7-zip application. Now see what happens is, let's say that you want to unzip this specific folder, the zip folder. Right click on it, select show more options, select 7-zip, select extract here. Okay, and then you can extract it this way. That's how easy it is with 7-zip, and it usually works. So I don't want to propose other solutions which will mess up with the registry or the command prompt and all, when you have a simple software that is faster and better. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.